Healthy diet. A healthy diet is a diet that maintains or improves overall health. A healthy diet provides the body with the essential nutrition, fluid, macronutrients such as protein, macronutrients such as vitamins, and adequate fiber and food energy. Some healthy food include beans, grains, cauliflower, cantaloupe, pasta, bread, orange, turkey, salmon, carrots, turnips, zucchini, snow peas, string beans, radishes, asparagus, summer squash, lean beef, tomatoes, potatoes. A healthy diet may contain fruit, vegetable, and whole grains and may include little to no processed food or sweetened beverages. The requirements for a healthy diet can be met from a variety of plant-based and animal-based foods. Although a non-plant source of vitamin B12 is needed for those following a vegan diet, various nutrition guides are published by medical and government institutions to educate individuals on what they should be eating to be healthy. Nutrients fats labels are so mandatory in some countries to allow consumers to choose between food and based on the components relevant to health. Recommendation. World Health Organization. The World Health Organization makes the following 5 recommendations with respect to both populations and individuals. Maintain a healthy weight by eating roughly the same number of calories that your body is using. Limit intake of fats. No more than 30% of the total calories should come from fats. Prefer unsaturated fats to saturated fats. Avoid trans fats. Eat at least 400 grams of fruits and vegetables per day. Potatoes, sweet potatoes, cassava, and other stretchy roots promote coat. A healthy diet also contain legumes, whole grains, and nuts. Limit the intake of simple sugars to less than 10% of calorie. Between below 5% of calorie or of 25 grams may be even better. Limit salt. Sodium for all sources and ensure that salt is iodized. Less than 5 grams of salt per day can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. The WHO has stated that insufficient vegetable and fruit is the cause of 2.8% of deaths worldwide. Other WHO recommendations include ensuring that the food chosen has sufficient vitamins and certain minerals.